Hi folks, welcome back to Language Talk. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to describe people. Please pay attention to the following questions. Sadaf, how tall is the new receptionist?
Well, he's really tall.
How much does he weigh?
He weighs about 60 kilograms.
So he's average weight, right?
Yes, and he's also good looking and attractive.
What about his hair?
He's got short blonde hair and a beard.
Okay, great. You should keep in mind that it isn't polite to tell someone they are fat. It is more polite to say they are overweight. See you soon.